So here at Preview Weekend at Six Flags Great America, this is the Joker. I mean, there's still construction going on, but the track is in place. And the trains are, well, I see one train on the track. This is going to be opening Memorial Day weekend. Looks fun, looks interesting. Looks like the entrance is going to be on the other side.
Keep your hands inside the rack.
So they moved the bridge to the left by Roaring Rapids to make room for the Joker. That is the transfer track for the trains. There's still cars in the boxes. Yeah. And my understanding is this is where the station's going to go. Come around. This is where Raging Cajun used to be. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, they haven't even started the entrance.
During your ride, please remain seated with your seatbelt in place and keep your hands inside the rack. All the way back into the station.
Oh, that's a steep climb. So it goes that way, goes up, goes to the top one, down, goes to the second one, down, goes this way, then back into the station. And it is so close to Batman.